Oh, hey, pretty people. Let's get it. Yeah, take your time. No rush. Well, hey guys. First off, calm down a little, cause I'm dying. But we are headed to school right now. I just got gas. I don't know what the camera lens looks like right now because the lighting is like super crazy. The sun's out, so I like dimmed the ISO or whatever. I don't know. What's up, everybody? I'm Strykar, and of course you saw me get ready this morning. So for today's vlog, I'm so excited. So I'm getting 3 tattoos later on today. I've just been wanting tattoos, like, of course, ever since, like, ever. Like, I've always wanted tattoos. Like, I want tons of them, but my best friend, one of my best friends' cousin is a tattoo artist. So she got me in for today. I booked with her a couple weeks ago. I was gonna get 2 neck tats, but last night, me and Chance were talking about it, and he was, like, talking me out of it because, like, for the one area that I had lined up, you know, as an idea, I just think I might want to save it, you know, it's like good space. So yeah, I mean, eventually I'm gonna need my whole neck tatted, but we're gonna start small. So one of my best friend's cousins is a tattoo artist. That's what kind of helped me finalize the plan, just because knowing that I could be with my best friend and it's somebody that she knows and, like, I don't know, easier to trust. Not like I care anyway. I'd probably let a blonde guy tattoo me because I love tattoos so much, but there's a hair stuck on my lip gloss. I'm gonna try and have Abby do my nails. That's my best friend. Abby's my best friend and Court's my best friend. One of them is gonna do my nails. I think Court's coming to our sleepover too, but like Abby lives so far away, like all the way out in Bumpoke nowhere, so I don't know if Court's gonna wanna go. Wow, this is good lighting, huh? I think once I turn, it'll be better. Oh my god, my battery's about to die. No! That's good. My battery's gonna die, and I hardly even got to say what I wanted to say. And, yeah, and then we're gonna have a sleepover, us 3 girls, if Court decides to come. And we're gonna go to Ray's Teca, which is like this Mexican place, and apparently it's like phenomenal. I never ate there, but like our teachers at school eat there all the time. They say it's so good, and then like Abby eats there once a week, so I'm looking forward to it. I'm so excited. Oh, and I wanted to say real quick, oh, I hope my camera doesn't die. I just swerved really bad, but so I got this V Energy thing, and it comes in a can, of course, and I was getting in my car earlier, and I dropped it, and it rolled underneath my car, and it was like stuck underneath like the middle of my car. Like there was no way I could get it, especially because I'm in white pants right now. And now it has a dent right where like you're supposed to drink from it at, and it's like all dirty, but I'm gonna still drink it. Ooh, it smells and tastes like dirt. Well, dirt can't hurt ya. Wow, the sun is just gleaming. I'm gonna head into school now, and I guess I will catch you later. It's time, baby.
I'll be 33, so I mean I can still hang.
Yeah.
But I've never been before.
I don't feel super glam today, but I tried to look cute. It's so cute in here, though. I love the lighting. And
Were you dyeing red hair?
yes, I was.
Gosh.
Oh, yeah, and I was gonna get my nails done today, but instead I did red hair all day long. I'm shaking because I'm nervous.
No, that's okay.
For my first tattoo, I went on my 18th birthday, so I was just like all psyched. Like I was so excited and just like ready to get it done. Like no nerves. It was just like I'm in it. And then I felt it hit, and I was like, oh.
Toes were Toes were ballsy for a first tattoo.
Yeah. I had this quote that fit perfectly across my feet, and I thought, what better idea could I possibly have had?
Yeah. Right. And you guys met at the Paul Mitchell school?
Yeah. She's my first friend.
Yeah. I was eating lunch by myself, and little Abby came out.
Aww.
Thanks for being my videographer.
You're welcome.
Like, oh, jeez. I'll tell you after. Oh, that's okay.
It's the little bitty baby beetle.
Yeah. That is the word.
No, you're not. You didn't flinch.
That looks
Too
super
funny.
cool. Yay.
What are you thinking next?
It's time for my neck. My first neck tat. I keep telling everybody at school, like, I'm getting a neck tat. They're like, oh, big one? I'm like, no.
Huge.
Not really. Alright.
I was a little late on the train.
I wish it was like easy as that. You know, like a
I know.
tattoo.
Looks good.
Okay.
You want to take a look in the mirror?
Yeah, I'll take a look at it. This is so cool.
I love it.
Coolest tattoo ever. I love that.
Awesome.
Oh, I'm getting nervous.
I'm not going to use that itty bitty bitey needle either,
Oh.
so
It's all
get
right.
rid of that guy. I only needed it for your finger.
I might record a snap video, but I won't get you in it.
Oh no, it's okay.
I'm so scared. Abby, I'm gonna need a finger for this one.
All right. I'm here.
Okay, ready?
I don't know. I guess I'm ready.
Is it as bad as the finger?
No,
Really?
I can't really talk. Wow, this is what a tattoo's supposed to feel like.
That's gonna look hard.
Yeah, it's gonna be
It is
super
going to look mad hard.
Yeah.
This is hurting. This is hurting.
Yeah, I can't like talk.
Well, don't talk then.
Don't even laugh. My titty's probably out. Ow.
Chance is gonna be like, never let Abby hold your camera again.
I should FaceTime Chance right now. Oh man.
Oh my god, it's beautiful.
I'm so excited.
Okay.
I didn't.
Get up.
No, I can.
It actually kind of felt good. Like I'm telling
Yeah,
you, the
it's
neck
not
was
bad.
like- oh my god, that's so cute.
Okay.
I don't think I'd want it any thicker.
No, I didn't. I just when I saw how petite you were, I was like, I don't know.
Yeah,
It looks so
I
good.
love it. I love it a lot.
Like it does. It does. I mean, I'm definitely doing well.
That's cute placement.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did great.
Yay!
Yay!
That's
Alright.
beautiful.
Yeah.
On to the next. I like the pain, like, still.
Is it worse than the finger? Is that the baby one?
Is it the baby one?
Oh no, this is the.
Oh, thank God.
one.
That ass, that was horrible.
Not a good time.
Thanks. You have to take a good picture outside.
I will.
That looks so cool.
Yeah.
Turn off. Our other friend Court came up with the $sign idea to put it in.
Yeah, that was
Like,
perfect.
yeah. Hey guys, sorry, I haven't really talked to you guys like all day long, but like school took up such a big portion of like my day. So I did my friend Ashley's hair today. I'll put some pictures either in this frame or like whatever. I don't think I have any videos from it. But I think it turned out great. It was so much fun to do. And then I just went and got my tattoos done. As you saw, it was painful. And now me and Abby are gonna go get some food. So we're going to Ray's Teca. Okay, well, I'll see you at Ray's Teca. Is that how you say it?
Ray Azteca.
Ray's Azteca. Ray's. I'm so happy. I got my tattoos done. I'm about to eat Mexican food. Abby, what'd you get?
Same thing as you.
Oh, okay. Well, hey guys, I look funny. Yeah, I don't look the greatest, but we're just gonna ignore the fact that I don't look super great. So I figured I would do like a little closing to this video. Yeah, I love my finger tattoo. Super cute. And that's like my hairdresser tattoo. So like so many people are asking me why I got it. Then I got my neck done. Doesn't that look cool? And then I got my ankle. So after me and Abby went out to eat, we basically just went home and like didn't even bother to study like we planned to. We just kind of like laid down and that was like a wrap. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe, of course. And I guess I will see you guys next week. So follow me on Instagram, Twitter, watch more videos on the next screen. So adios.